10 tips to make your Samsung S21 battery last longer. 1. Optimize screen brightness. Use the adaptive brightness feature or manually adjust the screen brightness to a level that is comfortable for your current lighting conditions. Lower brightness settings can significantly extend battery life. 2. Enable battery saver mode. Turn on the battery saver mode when your battery is running low. This mode limits background processes and reduces device performance to save power. 3. Manage screen timeout. Set a shorter screen timeout so that your screen turns off quickly when not in use. You can do this in the device settings under Display. 4. Limit background apps. Review and restrict which apps are allowed to run in the background. You can control this in the battery settings under App Power Management. 5. Update apps. Keep your apps and the operating system up to date. Developers often release updates that include optimizations for better battery performance. 6. Turn off unnecessary features. Disable features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services when you're not actively using them. You can access these toggles in the Quick Settings menu. 7. Reduce screen resolution. If you're not watching high-definition content, consider lowering the screen resolution. This can be done in the device settings under Display. 8. Use dark mode. Dark mode can reduce power consumption on OLED screens because it uses less energy to display darker colors. You can enable this in the display settings. 9. Limit notifications. Reduce the frequency of push notifications for apps like email and social media. You can adjust notification settings in each app settings menu. 10. Clear cache and unnecessary files. Periodically clear cache and unnecessary files using the built-in device maintenance tools. This can help improve overall performance and extend battery life.